Level 3, this is a tutorial for what is called the bridge. It's about the oak tree being felled, so you're going to go, you come to your spot, you're going to go, how far does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. I'm sorry, if you don't turn. And then you just go this way. Have you ever heard the wolf cry? Just one swoop there. Blue corn moon. Then it's about color. Yep, you can go here, around, down, up. Then it's, you're going to blow forward to your green tape, and then you hold your pose, which we don't have yet. So that was the bridge into the third chorus, which you can see in the video you made this afternoon.